Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Ripening the Fruit, Isaiah Stewart, and I'm back again today with another video. This right here is going to be a snippet of one of the side hustles I got coming to the channel. Now, I work at Finish Line, and now I'm working at Vans too, so I work at Finish Line and Vans. And see, I'm working in two shoe stores. I got my connection, my plug to shoes. I can get shoes. And last week, Halloween Day, the Black Toe ones released. I mean, Black Toe. The dark mocha ones released. They kind of remind me of the Black Toe ones a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So, the dark mocha's released, and I'm gonna flip these, you know what I'm saying? I paid $180 for them. I couldn't use my discount because we can't really use our discount on retros. But, right now they're going for about $325. The day I bought them, I could have sold them that day for $360, $365. But I'm gonna wait till the value goes up more. I'm not gonna sell them till at least worth $400, $500. I know they're gonna crash and go a little bit lower, maybe 280 lowest. Yeah, 280 lowest, maybe 250. Hopefully they don't get 250. But I'm gonna wait till they go down, and then once they go down, they're gonna shoot right back up. So once they go right back up, like I know they will, I'm gonna get rid of them. This week, next week, I mean, the What the Fives release, Finish Line, we're not getting the What the Fives, but downstairs at Champs, because there's a Finish Line at Champs in the mall I work in, downstairs at Champs, hopefully they get them. I'm gonna try to, talk to one of the co-workers, one of the workers there, and since I work at Finish Line, I'm gonna say, man, you can get me these What the Fives, I can get you something from upstairs. I don't know, but I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on the What the Fives. I'm gonna sit on those for a little bit. I know those will go for a lot. I already know those will go for a little money, you know what I'm saying? And hopefully Vans doing my hiring process. The lady was telling me about the collabs they have, so hopefully Vans come out with some more collabs and I can get my hands on those and, you know, flip those too. But this right here is just a snippet of one of the side hustles. I'm gonna try to make videos on this as often as I can, as often as I get my hands on a pair of shoes. I'm finna start building my collection, and I'm not gonna be, you know, Benjamin Kicks, one of the biggest resellers in the world. I'm not gonna be a big time reseller, but anything to bring in a few extra dollars every, you know what I'm saying, every release would be nice, you know what I'm saying? So this is a quick little video. One of my side hustles. My next side hustle will be a complete journey, and I can't wait to start making those videos for you guys. So yeah, be on the lookout. It's your boy Ripening the Fruit, and I'm out, man. So I did sell my dark mocha ones. I sold them on STOCKX for $400. I probably profited $180. I paid $180 for them. I profited $180, and STOCKX took $40 because they fees are super high. So yeah, that's just a little sneak peek of the hustles and the side hustles I got coming to the channel. The What the Fives, I got a crazy story about the What the Fives. I don't know if I'll upload to YouTube, but I kind of got my hands on them. I kind of don't. I really don't know right now. So the 11s that came out, I didn't get my hands on, but I am going to buy for my personal wear, not to resell. So starting 2021, I'm going to go hard and try to get as many pickups and releases as possible. And I'm just going to hustle and just work, man. So catch you guys later. It's your boy Ripening the Fruit, and I'm out.